What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a review on Megan Racing stainless steel exhaust muffler that I got. This is the carbon titanium tip series. So this is what it comes in the box. The Megan Racing, this one has a 1-year warranty, so this is cool stuff. Very great stuff. They come with warranty. Megan Racing. They're Japanese and they're American. They have one in America and Japan. Great products, stickers, and the exhaust clamp to hold the muffler. Put that down over there. Take the muffler out. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so there it is. Megan Racing carbon titanium tip series. It's a 3-inch muffler. This is I believe it's a titanium tip, so this is actually real titanium tip. Then the rest is stainless steel. Very good product. This comes with an exhaust silencer too. Pretty cool. It's actually real carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can tell. Or see, oh, so got a little nick over here. Well, actually, that's a good way to tell if it's a real carbon fiber or not. You could just tell when there's a little scratch. You could tell if it's a real carbon fiber or not. So here's a great example to tell if it's real carbon fiber. It's actually fiber inside. A little polish, that thing will I'm pretty sure it'll come out. This little nick, just a little scratch, that's all it is. A little polish on that will come out. It's a 3-inch muffler. As you can see, pretty cool muffler. Let me very cool muffler. I got this just about almost $200 for this muffler. I know there's a lot of mufflers out there, a lot of muffler brands out there, but this one isn't so bad. If you're looking for style and something cool, then this isn't a bad muffler at all. It's carbon fiber. I'm pretty sure a lot of people like carbon fiber. Very cool muffler. Very cool muffler. So yeah, as far as the welds look pretty decent, look pretty good. So obviously it has the exhaust silencer in there. Here's the inside. Let's see on the other side. Here's the inside of the muffler. Pretty cool. But yeah, this is actually really cool as well. Not many mufflers come with the muffler hangers to hold the muffler, so I thought that was pretty cool. And not to mention the 1-year warranty on this muffler. That's pretty cool too. So if you have if you break your muffler on the inside, and if anything breaks or comes loose or whatever, you get a brand new muffler, technically, basically. Or if the weld's cracked or whatever, you get a brand new muffler. Shout out to Megan Racing for making a cool, decent muffler under $200. It's a 3-inch piping diameter as well, so I plan on using this for the G37 because the car's pretty loud. You know, straight pipe or whatever. And you know, I want to see what it sounds like straight pipe with just a muffler add-on, out of curiosity. So this is for the G37. G37's new muffler until I figure out what I'm gonna do with the car. So here it is without the silencer inside. As you can see, pretty big muffler, 3-inch inlet, pretty clean, inside out, not too shabby. This is the silencer, so it's got like a double silencer. That's pretty cool. So